Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is alerts in Selenium. Alerts are browser level pop-ups created using JavaScript. Important points regarding alerts are not HTML elements. They are outside the DOM. Selenium cannot locate them using XPath or CSS. We must use SwitchTo alert methods. Alerts usually appear for confirmations, warnings, notifications, user input prompts. Until an alert is handled, Selenium cannot interact with the page. Here in the sample script, a browser alert is displayed. I cannot inspect or locate this alert. I am switching to Selenium's focus to the alert. Once I switch, then I can accept or dismiss it. This is how alerts are handled in Selenium. I will run this script and you will have better understanding. If you see page is loaded, once the page is loaded, you will click on JavaScript alert and this text is printed in the console. JavaScript text is printed and alert is handled successfully. So this is how you handle alerts in Selenium. So let me recap again. I will close the application first. Yeah, let me recap. Alerts are not part of DOM. You must switch context to handle alerts. Until alert is handled, page interaction is blocked. No switch, no alert handling.